and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari, and in today's video we are doing another product review. So today's product review is going to be the new Colourpop Super Fly collection. This collection is super cute. I picked this up at Ulta. We got the palette. This is one of the Super Shock Cheeks. This one is called Drive Me Crazy. I am wearing that one right now. And then we got a lippy and a cream liner. So if you're part of the fam already, how do we feel about this haircut? I cut like 3 or 4 or 5 maybe inches off my hair. It was a lot, but I wanted to go into the new year with something fresh, something cute, and I just feel like this was the move. It was the right move. So let's go ahead and dive right into this palette. I'm going to show you a quick swatch and then we'll move right on. Okay, so first impression of this palette. On the inside, if you're looking at this color story, it's very, very familiar. It looks just like this is the Colourpop Ticket to Dreamland palette. Look at how similar they look. It's basically the same palette. So I'm gonna say now, if you have this one, you definitely don't need this one. This is like the same, it's just a little bit smaller. So with that being said, these colors are so neutral. I think that we're just gonna do one eyeshadow look on both eyes today instead of the 2 that we normally do. But we have to use the blue because, you know, that's the rule. But I think we're gonna use the blue and this FYI right here because this color is just, I really like this one. Okay, so the first shade we're gonna use as the transition shade is this color Colorful right here. I'm just gonna take this on a blending brush and just blend it into my crease. So this is a very pretty shade. It's kind of, I mean, it looks very much like it does in the pan, very pink, but it's very, very cute. I'm not seeing any fallout, which is good. So far so good. So the next shade we're gonna go into, I think we're just gonna mix these 2 together. This is Depart and Damsfly. So Damsfly, yeah. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I'm gonna look them too hard into it. That's what it is, Damsfly. Now these colors are very, very dark. Very, very dark. Which I don't hate that. That's why this one, they came out with 2 of these little palettes at the same time. I didn't even think to pick up the other one, but now it's probably just like on a whimsy. It looks probably just like that one, since this one looks just like Ticket to Dreamland. I'm confused about why they did that. Like, what was the reason? Okay, so I wasn't gonna do a cut crease initially, but now I kind of feel like I want to, at least like a cut crease, like halo eye. I think that's what we're gonna do. So this was Depart and Damsfly. I'm gonna go ahead and bring those down because I want to do like a cut crease halo eye now. I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with it before, but now I know, I'm sure. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the middle and then we'll move on to those shimmers. Okay, so for the lid shade, I am gonna go ahead and do a halo eye, but in the middle we're gonna do FYI and then wingtip on the sides. So this is FYI that we're taking here. This one is very like iridescent, like it's showing different shades, which I really like. This color is very, very pretty. This color is probably like the only reason I would buy the palette at this point. This one is very, very pretty. Now we're moving on to Wingtip, which is that deep blue. And these 2 shades pair very well together. Like, they're very, very pretty together. That is very, very cute. Okay, so far so good. This look is coming out a lot better than I was imagining that it would, because this palette is just so like, it's just kind of bland to me, but I'm gonna take some more of that Dame's Fly and the Depart shade, the dark browns that we used, and I'm just gonna blend out the outer corners just to deepen that up. Okay, so for an inner corner highlight, we are going to use this color Flight Path. I just feel like this one would go better than the golden looking shade. This one looks more like champagne, and this one looks like more silvery white. And because of the blue, I think that we should probably go with this. Just seems like the right move. I don't know why I sound so congested today. I thought we were past this. Y'all have the flu over Christmas, and it is like the 1st of January, and I still don't feel like 100%. Keep your mask on, stay safe, guys, because there's cooties out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean off some of this fallout, and then I'm gonna add liner and lashes. We're gonna come back and do lips, and then we'll talk about final thoughts. After liner and lashes, it actually looks pretty cute. I thought it looked pretty cute before, but I think it looks even better now. Let's move on to these lips. So I did get the Creme de la Creme. Well, I don't know why I said that. Okay. I did get the BFF Cream Gel Liner. So this is Sunnyvale. And then the So Juicy Colourpop. This is the Plumping Gloss. This is the shade Zippy. So right now I already have on Colourpop lip gloss. I'm gonna wipe this off. But y'all, if you don't have the Colourpop lip gloss, it's time to get you some, girl, because it already like it plumps your lips and your lips just feel so good afterwards. This is the one that I'm using right now. Obviously it's very old. I don't even know the name. Well, Stuntin' is the name. But this one I love. It just makes sure it has like a menthol feel to it, like when you put it on your lips, and you just feel your lips being like clumped up. I went ahead and wiped that off. We're gonna go in with this brown liner. I really needed a brown liner, so I was like, well, regardless if it's for eyes or lips, I'm using it for lips. This is what the lip gloss Zippy looks like out of the packaging. You see it's like a brown color. That's why I got the brown lip. I figured these two would pair well together. And I was right. I was so right. This looks pretty good. All right, so this is the finished look. Overall, I would have to say the palette, if you got Ticket to Dreamland, you definitely don't need this one. Now, if you need one or the other, I would definitely go with Ticket to Dreamland just because it's basically the same palette and you get more shades. But you guys, it is basically the exact same palette. Like, this one is cute, and the blues, I do really like the FYI and the wing tip, but the rest of the shades, they're just kind of like, we've seen it before. We have them. And the shade right here, the Speedy, where it's like matte but has like glitter in it, we have that in this palette. We have that here, see? Both of them. So for me, it's just kind of like, it's a miss in a way, because it's like, how do you basically give us the same palette at this, like, in the same month? Like, and this is definitely like a springtime palette, whereas Ticket to Dreamland, I did feel like that was more of like a wintertime palette. Like, it just looks wintry to me. But the Super Shock Cheek, I do really like this one. This is the Drive Me Crazy again. This one, they did have a couple more, but I don't have a blush like this, and I really like it. So this was good. I would definitely say if you need a blush, this one is a good one. The gel liner and the lippy, I do really love this color combination. I do love the way that it came out. I don't know for sure that that the liner is meant for lips, but again, we use everything for everything here, so it is what it is. It'll probably be a cute like eyeliner too, but for lips it worked out really well as well. So really well as well. It worked out really well too, that's what I mean. But overall, I would say, you know, if you need anything out of the collection, just get like and they even have a super shock highlighter, but it was sold out by the time I made it old, so they get this collection. So I would definitely say like the lip glosses are a must, the liners are a must, the shock cheek is a must, the blush, but the palette is not a must. It is very much, we've seen it before, we've definitely seen it this month in Ticket to Dreamland, and we don't need another one. So I'm not sure what's going on with Colourpop. Are you running out of shades to mix up or what? But yeah, you're not fooling me. I'm on to you. So if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video. Let me know if we're loving the new haircut. I really like it. I just feel so free. I feel like I can run around in circles, and it just I don't know what it is about short hair, just makes you feel free, but I don't know, I just really like it. So let me know what you think in the comment section below, and you guys will see my face in the next video.